Main motherboard right here, you will see the SIM slot right here. So just take it out. Okay. And then we're gonna input the SIM card in your country. Okay, so now we got a SIM card. Xong quay gần gần như nè, quay cái tay chú Hải nè, quay cái tay này nè.
Chứ nổi tay con quá à. Đứng xuống dưới cũng được.
Okay, just like this one, and then just put it again to the main. Okay, so after we put it, we will mount it to the box again.
Ơi.
Okay, input the SIM card like this one, and then input to the main motherboard on this one. Okay, so after we input the SIM card, you can check. Okay, so it's already input the SIM card right here, so you can check it out on the mobile data right here. Okay, the mobile data right here. It has more mobile data already. So you just need to follow the instruction to take it out the main motherboard, put the SIM card, and then put it again to the box, and then they will enter the SIM data on the phone. Okay, thank you guys for watching.